If you run Facebook ads, you need to do these two simple things to increase conversion rates, get thousands of more followers, and just overall impress everybody that you come in contact with. Let's do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to the inbox on Facebook, and we are going to go to the comments and more section. And what this does is it'll show you all the ads that you're running on Facebook and Instagram, and it'll show all the comments, and it'll show all the people who have liked the ad that you've been running. And what we want to do is we want to go through here and click each one of these, open up the panel where it shows the people who have liked the ad, and we want to go through and invite every single person that has interacted with this post. And what this is going to do is it's going to get people to reconnect with your brand. And what we'll see is if you do it at the right time of day, and this is different for everybody, but for me, I like to do it around dinner time. And what this does is it sparks that interest back, because they just got a notification saying, hey, you should go follow this company or this brand, and they could go back on your page, realize, oh yeah, I really like this product, I should go buy it right now. And what you'll see is you'll get A, more followers, and B, a lot more people will remember, oh yeah, especially if it's a really high returning ad, they will remember that they want to buy this product. And so what you'll see is we'll start to get some sales just by inviting people randomly on here. And I already went through this, so there's a few stragglers, but the idea is you want to just reconnect with all these people before they are gone forever. And this is free. This is completely free. You earned it by running these ads to people. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to respond back to every single person that comments on this ad. Every single person. If it's super negative and it has like a ton of cursing, you can just hide it. You don't want that on your ad at all. But for the most part, if somebody wants to say something on the ad, or they have a question, or they have a concern, or they just doubt something, or anything like that, you want to respond, and you always want to be positive. You never want to be negative towards these people unless that's what your brand is based on, is like being those hecklers that do that back and forth with companies or with customers. The whole point behind this is you want to engage with your customer, and you want to create that line, that connection. And what that does is it allows you to really connect with the consumer and allow them not to think that there's like this really big disconnect between you and them. You want it to be an even playing field, so they feel comfortable asking you for something or asking something in general. And that's the biggest thing that I see is so many companies don't respond to any comments on their ads. They don't respond to anybody on their posts either. And what they're doing is they're creating this disconnect, and they're making themselves seem like this higher entity that you aren't a part of. And I think that creates a disconnect between customers and a business that you don't want. And I think personally, especially with a smaller business, you really want to connect with these people, and you want to connect as much as you can. And so those are my two pretty much tips and tricks to increasing conversion rates and just getting a ton of more followers on your Facebook and your Instagram. And I mean, as you see, if you go through at a certain time of night or a certain time of day, you will get conversions left and right as soon as you start commenting back to people and answering people's questions, because then other people come onto the ad and see, oh wow, they're getting responses, maybe I can ask a question. And what that does is it increases the algorithm for Facebook. And as you see, we just got a sale because I invited a couple people from Facebook to start doing this stuff. So I'm telling you, it works. You'll get increased conversion rates like crazy, but you have to be really, really consistent with it, and you just can't give up when stuff goes wrong. Ads, they never always work, but when you get a good one, you know it, and you just got to stick with it, keep on going, and hopefully I'm back with a couple more tips and tricks in the future. This is all stuff that I've learned the hard way over the last couple years, and this is such a small one, but it's so huge in the long run. So use this as you will. Thank you for checking this out. Hope it helps you. Let me know in the comments what to do next. Thank you.